Hello there, my name is Ollie from Anchor 4x4 and today I have for you the Ford Ranger Limited in a lovely white. This one has 23,800 miles and I will just take you around the vehicle now. So just opening up the driver's door, this does come with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, cruise control, hands-free cooling and voice assist. Those last ones can be controlled on the steering wheel. It's an automatic. Down here we could change from 2-wheel drive to 4-wheel drive to low range. Two 12-volt power sockets there. Just above we have the controls for the heated seats and the air conditioning. Satellite navigation on there as well. And if I just show you in the back seats as well, we do have another 12-volt and an AC 150-watt power outlet as well. And the back of the pickup as well does have a cover on top. If you'd like to find out more about this van, please do feel free to visit our website.